Hi guys, so today I'm catching up on a lot of work. I'm really behind. We've been on vacation for a couple of weeks. We've gone to Italy, got the COVID. Do not recommend. No, Italian COVID, bad. So I'm just getting caught up on a lot of the stuff around the farm. It's going to be a bunch of mundane tasks today, mowing the grass, feeding the chickens. But one thing that is new on the radar, and that's bushhogging the pastures. So, haven't cut the pastures this year. Let me flip the camera around here to the other side. So I haven't cut the pastures at all this year, and being gone for a couple weeks now has gotten me really behind. It was the wrong time to go on vacation, as always. You always seem to hit vacation just as everything hits its growth spurt. And so this is one of the fields here that it's going to need to get cut. As you can see, all the fescue in it has gone out to seed heads, and plus we've got this nice patch of sweetgum that I've been battling for a couple of years now. Just about got it whooped, and then I let things get out of hand again this year. So today I'll be bush hogging this out, and then in a couple weeks we'll be spraying it, trying to get these sweet gums killed out. So that's what's going to be going on today. There's a few clouds out today, but not a lot of wind. Well, maybe we'll get the drone up and get an aerial view of what's going on. So step one I did yesterday, and that is called buy the diesel. So here in the upstate of South Carolina, we do have off-road diesel at a lot of our gas stations. It's a really a great thing, because I know a lot of states don't have that anymore. Luckily, we still do. Did have to go buy a new diesel can. Someone had liberated my my previous diesel can, which it was quite old and fidgety, but I had fixed this thing, and so this one is factory and uncorrected. So I'm sure I'll be battling that quite a bit this morning. So step two is called get in the truck and go get the tractor. So my choice of weapon today is the Massey Ferguson 383. So we're getting towards the end of the day, so of course there's the ever popular and always present breakdown. That's right, I lost a bolt. Trouble of it is, this is the part that controls how high your third wheel is, or single wheel, tail wheel, whatever we call it, tail dragger. And so she's sitting on the ground. Yep, time to head to the parts bin. Okay, so this thing has been wrong from the very beginning. If you look at the angle of that cross member, of that kind of A-arm setup there, it's at the wrong angle. So basically, that A-frame right there needs to be flipped, left to right, right to left, and then all this other stuff will be at the right angle, because it's not right now. So not only am I going to have to replace the bolt there, I'm going to go ahead and flip that over. Too carried away, I'm going to have to start her up and lift this thing off the ground a bit. Get in there. Like that. Get in there. Just like that. Now then, if you look here, the angle of that is now correct. Well, before it was always wrong. So I'm not convinced that this actually was upside down to begin with, because if you look very carefully, let's see if I can get the angle of this camera changed here just a little bit. If you look, they've rounded this bit here and not upside down that bit there. So it looks like they meant for it to go that particular direction, but when this piece right here was welded in, it was at the wrong angle. Definitely the wrong angle. So, not sure that this is going to be any better, other than the fact that it will have all the bolts. And you see, having all the bolts is a good thing. So that's going to be all for this video. Maybe next video we'll pick up on the other side of the creek and get it done. So remember, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the like button. And as always, thanks for joining me on the farm.